unboxing from my PR stuff. I don't know how I feel about this. Let's get it started. Where should I start? I think I should start from this one. Is there something like that? Okay. Let's start from this one. Let's open them up. And here we have two lip balms. Okay, so we have a few of these. Okay, we have these few. Oh, this one is so cute. Little 4-leaf clover charm. We also have this one. Juicy Gelatin. How cute. Let's open this. This really cute makeup bag. It's so fluffy. How cute. If I'm not mistaken, Underwater Malaysia is like the first company to bring in this brand to Malaysia. So cute. I can bring this along for like traveling. And then, okay, yeah, during the event, I was able to choose my own color and I chose Rare. Look at that. And then we got the Hint Second Skin Glow Cushion. 23 cents. This is the darkest shade, so I'm hoping it does match because I am quite tan. This one is Hint's Dimensional Radiance Balm. I tried this at their store in TRX Underwater. And I love this one. This one is so pretty. It's kind of like a highlighter, but it looks kind of makes you look like you have those like Korean glass skin. I love this one. I think I took the clear shade. What shade? Yeah, clear. I tried another one, which one was, it was kind of like, I don't know how to say, it's like silvery. I tried it on my skin, I look gray. So if you are bright and you have light skin tone, it will look amazing on you. And this one from 360 Hair Care. Now, I love this brand. I've been using them for a while now. Especially this one. Their hair perfume is so good. If you like bold perfume, but you kind of like smell very flirty and sexy, please use this. Every time I use this, I get compliments. They do also have a floral version. Yeah, they have a floral version. I do love their floral scents, but I'm more of a bold girl when it comes to perfumes. Yeah. They also have like a hair oil. I love their hair oil. It smells great. Now I'm not gonna go through every single thing in detail because I think the video is gonna be quite long. But then we have Takami Moisture Rich Face Foam Skin Peel Essence. I've already used them. I've used 2 of them. And I do like the results. It's kind of like a skin peel but for sensitive, normal, oily skin. So it's very good. Then we have Mare. Okay. I love this brand too. Oh my god. I love this. I love the t-shirt. I'm just a lip slick girl. Then we have this keychain. A keychain that's also a mirror. But these are the shades. And I'm currently using this one actually. These are my go-to shades for lip products. I just love how it looks. It makes you look bright, it makes you look young and cheerful, but it's not too over the top. I love this. Let's open this. This one is from Dusty. I've told you guys how much I love Dusty. And I actually really use their products almost every single day. Look how pretty their packaging is. It's like an ombre glitter. This is in the shade 24. I have no idea what's it called because it's in Korean. And then we have the blush. Now their blush is very I would say natural, which is something I love. I love natural blush. Now look at their eyeshadow. How gorgeous is that? Okay. Their eyeshadow, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. This, what is this? Dual shadow. Oh, it's like a mini shadow. I'm not gonna open it, it's too cute. Okay, let's unbox this. Michael Kors. I already opened it actually and worn it, but I wanted to include in this video because it's so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. You can wear it as a shoulder bag or you can wear it as a sling. You can adjust it. It's like this. Now let's unbox this. I've already unboxed this one as well. It's a handbag. It's one of the cutest handbags I've ever seen. This is from Sometime and I love the detailing. This is also kind of like a sling bag. So yeah, they give you this and then you can engrave your name. I don't know if you can see, but that's my name there. It's Arena. So you can turn it into a sling bag or hold it like this. Okay, you know what? Let's open something else. Let's open this one. This one is from... Can you guess the branding from the cover? How cute. It's from Supergoop. This is huge. I feel that I look really funny in glasses. Is it because it's hiding my brows? Oh, they gave us a really cute glass bottle. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna break this. They're Supergoop. Okay, let's open this one. K-Town. These makeup wipes. Cleansing wipes. Cleansing tissues for a while. I do like them. They're quite easy, so if you're going traveling, you can use this. You don't have to bring your micellar water anymore. Then I got a bunch of these things. Like these. It's like cleanser, serums. I've been loving press-on nails recently because I don't know why. I used to get extensions done, but I don't really like them at the moment. They gave us a bunch of these things from Clio in fresh cherry. Fiery. Really, I already unboxed this one. It's from Christy Please, the color, the shade, the shape. This is the perfect size. I can fit so many things. I literally can put my camera, my wallet, my car keys and lipstick and makeup and everything. I've already brought this out so many times. And then we have this apple cider whipping cream cleanser from what brand is this? Ario. I think it's the same as this one. It's the same as this one. I've used a little actually. It smells like apples, but the scent is really light. Not too strong. I'm in love with 3CEs. We have this. Look how gorgeous that is. Look how pretty that is. When it comes to eyeshadow, I love neutral colors like this. Then we have the glass highlighter. So one is a cushion and another is an eyeshadow palette. Let's just wrap things up. We also have this from Dusk again. It's a baby blue shade. Oh my god, that is so cute. This one. Can you see? The melting candy balm in berry shake and cotton candy. These are gorgeous. Then we have this one from Estee Lauder. And then, oopsies.